Hi everyone, welcome to our channel and let me introduce myself. My name is Vinay and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about these topics and we divided into two parts because the video is taking too long. And in the part 1, we discuss about what is nominal mix and mix design and different methods used for mix design, also procedure for IS method. In the part 2 example problem using IS 10262 2009 we'll discuss in the second video, and let's start the video. First, what is nominal mix? In nominal mix concrete, all the ingredients and their proportions are prescribed in the standard specifications. So these proportions are specified in the ratio of cement to aggregates for certain strength achievement. So for example, 1:1.5:3 means what? Cement is 1 and sand is 1.5 and aggregate is 3. So these are mentioned in the IS 456 2000. So as per 456 we do all these calculations. So we basically do with volumetric batching. So we take the volumes of these sand, cement and aggregates, mix in the concrete mixer and at the site, and we use for the construction process. So it is a very simple one. And in the design mix, coming to design mix, concrete mix design is the process of finding right proportions of cement, sand and aggregates. So for concrete to achieve target strength in structures. Okay. Here cement, sand and aggregates are selected as to achieve certain strengths. That is the basic difference. So here it involves various steps and calculations and also laboratory testings. We know that. This process is adopted for structures which require higher grades of concrete such as M25 and above, and large construction projects where quantity of concrete consumption is high. Means where concrete consumption is high, there we have to increase these properties. Workability has to be increased, durability has to be increased, it should be economical, and their strength is the major part. Okay, so with these proportions we got from this concrete mix, we sent to the RMC plant, and their RMC plant, these are mixed accordingly and sent to the site for construction. So this is also somewhat easy, but these calculations are done in the laboratory. Engineers has to do these calculations. That's it. So the methods of concrete mix design. So the methods are, I have mentioned here. You can see here ACI method, USBR method, and British mix method, and also IS method. So these all are derived from the ACI method. Okay, ACI method. In India we generally use IS method because we all stay in India. So the code book has given, so that is IS 10262 2009. I will give the link in the description, you can download that. So next we go to the procedure of mix design as per 10262 2009. The steps involved are target strength and the selection of water cement ratio, double by C ratio. Next, selection of water content, how much water has to be mixed with this concrete, that we have to find. Next, cement content means cementitious materials, so these are calculated, means these contents are calculated. Next, proportions of volume of aggregates has to be found. Next, calculations has to be done. Next, these trials have to be made. So trials means we have to change the once we have for example water cement ratio is 0.45 in one mix, and in another mix 0.4 is in another mix. So in this way we differ some properties and check for proportions, so which is economical, durable, and these properties have checked, so from the proportions. Okay, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to watch the next video because you don't understand with this simple video. Okay, watch the next video, which is we are going to explain about the example from the IAS codebook only. Okay, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.